What? Every single day going MIA. Yeah, I'm over, yeah, what more can I say? 너는 지루해, move out of the way. Just let it go, boy. 머리 bling bling, style bling bling. Bet you don't recognize me. Only love me when I'm leaving. Don't you know that it's so ironic? 'Cause I don't need you by my side. I'll be fine. 혼자가 좋아 better on my own.
What's going on, fam? It's Gene, aka LS Turbo Integ, and welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I finally got my carbon fiber canards from RennMeister.com, and the owner, William, gave me a pretty good deal on the dual dive planes. And what I've been trying to confirm all these years was whether or not the GT4 from the 718 Canards will fit on my GTS front bumper and also my carbon fiber front bumper from TAKD Carbon. And that'll clarify for us guys who don't have a GT4 whether or not the Canards will work. So hopefully this clarifies for all my track guys, especially the Cayman Boxer owners with the 718, because I know you guys want to also help improve your aero. So I want to help you guys out and confirm whether or not a 718 GT4 Canards, whether it's single or dual, fit on our GTS or your S bumpers, as well as my carbon fiber front bumper, just because the side of it is a lot different than my GTS bumper. So let's open up the box and check them out. But fam, thanks so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. It's really helping the channel grow. So with that being said, if you like the content, please consider subscribing. Hit those post notifications. That way every time I drop my videos, you guys will be notified. And if you guys have any questions or any comments, be sure to post them below. Also, you guys can follow me on Instagram at LSTurboInteg. So let's go ahead and open this up. Here we go. And for those interested, this is who I ordered the Canards from, RennMeister LLC.com. And his Instagram tag is Go Porsche Master. All right. Very well packaged. We'll set that to the side. All right, let's see what we got. Ooh. Check that out. It's one of them. I'm curious if they're different sizes. They are. This one is a lot wider towards the bottom and shorter. So these are the passenger side. And this will be the driver's side. Yep, these are the driver's side. These two outside ones are longer. And these two are shorter, but wider. And like I said, not by much. Maybe an inch and a half, 2 inches. Hopefully that's giving you guys a good idea. And it is shaped differently. What I really like about these Canards, unlike my TAKD, I really love how it flares up right here. On my TAKD, it's just flat. So you guys see that little winglet right here? You guys can probably see it that way. And then of course this side is where it mounts to the car. Very nice, guys. Love the quality of these. Amazing, guys. What do you guys think? Give you a lower profile shot. So the question is whether these are gonna fit or not. So let's go ahead and take these and find out. Right, so what I'm gonna do is I want to confirm what goes where, if it's the wider one that goes towards the bottom or the top. Just looking at this picture now, I think the bigger one is the one that sits on the bottom and the longer piece is the one that goes above it. So just to let you guys know, my intentions was to run a single Canards, not a dual. So if the duals don't fit, I'll be happy if it's just a single. So let's start off with the narrow one. All right. So this is supposed to go up here, and I know with my TAKD I had to kind of move things around until it fit. So right now the gap is too big on the inside. That's if it was to be installed as normal. If I bring it down lower, that actually could work right there. Well, that could work right there. I'd have to fill it in. The gap isn't big, but that actually looks good right there. Yeah, right there. So that means the other one would have to fit here. So I don't have anything to hold this up with. Okay. Alright, now here's the fatter version. So this is the one that should be going down here. Let's see if that'll fit. Nope. There's a real huge gap right here. That could work right there, guys. So it looks like the wider version won't work. Even sitting low on the bumper, I mean, that's kind of pointless now, right? Yep. So just to confirm, guys, so let me show you, see the gap? So no matter where I try to place it, it's just not going to fit, even when it's low. But look at the gap right there. There's no way, I mean, you could fill it in, it just wouldn't look right. Okay. Yeah, it just wouldn't look right. But you guys can see on the narrow how that could work. The gap is very minor. You can even come up higher. That could work too. But nothing like this. You can see there's a gap at the bottom. So I'll have to play around with it. That looks good right there. All right, now that we know what it looks like on the TAKD carbon fiber front bumper, so I won't be able to use the fat ones. I will be able to use the narrow one. So we're gonna run a single, but let's see if it'll fit on the OEM GTS front bumper. So here's my TAKD carbon fiber canards. I do have them sealed, so I can't take this off, but I'll still be able to get an idea whether I can run this towards the bottom. But right now, let's try this at the top. That could work right there, you guys. Shoot. I could almost run a dual on the GTS front bumper. The gap is not too bad. Let me see if I can place this. There you go. It's pretty much sealed now. And that's how much lower it is. That would actually look good. But keep in mind, this is supposed to be on the bottom. So, I mean, check that out. I just set it right on top of the other one and it fits pretty well. Just a little bit of gap right there, but I think if it gets lower, I probably won't have that issue. All right, and with the wider version, I have it right on top of the other one. So I can't make any adjustments because I think if I do go lower, it probably would fit. But what if I slide it down? No. If I do it like this one here, how it comes off and onto the Tech Art front spoiler, I could do it like that. But I'm not worried about it because I already have the lower. I just want to see if this would look pretty good on the upper. That might work right there, guys. There's a small gap in the middle, but it's not bad at all. I could probably run it as a dual.
Making moves, trying to get away from this life I'm living. Same old things every day, wanna change this feeling. Wasting no more time, don't care about what you're saying. Try to keep me down, no time for all your playing. Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about the things you say. Yeah, I don't even know what I want no more, no more, no more. Yeah, I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life. Yeah, I don't even know what to do right now, right now, right now. Yeah, I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life. Yeah, I don't wanna try again, try again, try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again. All we had were those memories, time to make some new ones. Sun is up, I'm wide awake, we're not getting younger. If you still love me, then please just let me go. I won't stay with you, I need to live my own life. Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about the things you say. Yeah, I don't even know what I want no more, no more, no more. Yeah, I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life. Yeah, I don't even know what to do right now, right now, right now. Yeah, I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life. Yeah, I don't wanna try again, try again, try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again.
Alright guys, got the canards all sealed up. As you can see, there's no gaps. Hopefully you're picking that up. And then here's the passenger side. So we are good to go with the canards. What do you guys think of the canards? I think it looks freaking sick. So this is going to be the more narrow one versus the one that's a lot more wider. But the one that's more wider, I'll actually put that on my GTS bumper because it fits on that one. But absolutely love it. You guys can see I've got it all sealed up so you don't see any gaps at all. Let's check out the other side. Check that out, guys. It doesn't get any better than that. Pretty sweet. So if you guys are interested in a set, send me a DM. I'll reach out to William and see if he can give you guys a deal. I know I sent another friend of mine and he's got a set of these. Got a pretty good discount on them if you ask me. So if you guys are interested in getting a set for yourself, send me a message. I'll reach out to William and we'll see if we can work something out. But absolutely love the design, you guys. One of my concerns is most of the canards, especially my TAKD, does not have this little lip. And I really love this lip. I mean, it just kind of directs the air up without it coming off to the sides. Let me get a side shot. You guys see what I'm talking about? How it kind of goes up like that. All right, guys, that'll do it for the install video for the RennMeister Canards. Again, I'll put all of William's information down below. If you guys are interested in a set, reach out to me. I'll see if I can get you guys a pretty good discount. With that being said, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. If you guys like the content, please consider subscribing. Hit those post notifications. That way, every time I drop my videos, you guys will be notified. And if you guys have any questions or any comments, be sure to post them below. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Also, you guys can follow me on Instagram at LSTurboInteg. As always, guys, hit that like button. It really helps with my channel. All right, guys, until the next video, have a blessed and wonderful day. I'll see you guys then. Peace.